They're never going to get a chance to look up.
Thank you.
Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year is just ceremonial. Technically, it's February the 4th. That's true. Today's the second day. Okay? And my name is Paul Ng. I don't know how much you know about me, what I do. No idea. What we're talking about today, any idea? Okay.
I read your article in the Chinese newspaper.
Okay, all over. Actually, I'm a Feng Shui master. Just a quick rundown of what I did. It takes only 2 minutes. I actually been in Canada for 47 years, since 1968. I studied electrical engineering first year at University of Ottawa, and then I got my computer science degree from the University of Ottawa and my MBA from Toronto. So that was in 1972, long before some of you were born. Okay. Next year I'm 70 years old, so I'm much older than you thought. So just want to say that, otherwise you thought I kind of BS because I'm going to graduate so late. Okay. All right. So one thing to keep young is to have good feng shui and good attitude, and I explained it in a short time. Okay, and I began doing what I do today on the sideline in 1985, and then I began doing what I do 100% full-time 1993. Okay, so that was a critical year, a turning point of my life after the federal election, in which I ran for member of parliament. So that was quite a history. Okay, today I'm an advisor to 30 in Toronto alone. Advisor to 34 builders and 9 banks. Most banks you see are part of it, they're involved. Okay, so they are very serious about it. I'm also the chief feng shui advisor for the largest developer builder in all of China, the Poly Group of companies. And I just became, as of 2 weeks ago, advisor to the 5th largest developer builder in China, in Beijing. I spent 1.5 days in Beijing 2 weeks ago to overlook and design a project, a total project worth $100 million US. So the magnitude. And I just completed a series of projects in Indonesia, from Bali Island to Surabaya to Jakarta, totaling $2 billion US. That's $2,000 million US. And I'm the chief advisor. And going back this coming March to design an entire brand new man-made island. Jakarta is going to build 17 islands outside Jakarta. The center one will be strictly designed by me. Together with one of the world's most famous architects, Mr. Thomas Atkins, who designed the Albert Hotel in Dubai, the 7-star hotel. Remember the Singapore Hotel? So I want to pass around a little project like this so you have an idea of what I do out of the country.